Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So the market is open and we can see some upside on the chart of gold after the market opening. I'll try to keep the video short. If you are looking for a detailed analysis of the chart of gold, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So I'll just talk about the levels that are important for us after the market opening. So the first level that we talked on Saturday was this resistance level, and right now we can see the market is showing some kind of correction from the resistance of 1858 1859 level. But if we look at the chart carefully, then the chart is still in upside. Though market is facing price rejection from this particular level here, but still we do not have any trend reversal sign. My dear friends, market is facing resistance, but we do not have a trend reversal yet. And if you analyze the chart carefully, then still there is a possibility that market will break the resistance of 1858 and market will try to go higher. Okay, if you have already taken a sell position, then hopefully you made some profit by now. But if the same pattern continues, then the possibility of trend reversal is very less, because as of now we do not have any fundamental factor supporting a trend reversal. Plus the chart is also not showing us any indication of trend reversal. As of now, we can just still see that market or buyers are still trying their best to break the level of 1858 1859 level. So what should be a strategy now? If you have already taken a sell position, okay, if you have already taken a sell position, you can be on the trade or you can book profit as well. Okay, if you're a new trader, then you can book your profit, because hopefully you are already in a profit of 50 to 60 pips already. But if you're an experienced trader, you know how to manage the risk, then you can be on the trade, because there is still a possibility of further downside as well. Okay. But after some time, if we see market breaking the level and going up, listen to me carefully. Okay. If market breaks the level and starts going up, then the next important level will be 1865. 1865 to 1866. Around this level, we have a high chance of market facing selling pressure again. Because overall, if we try to analyze the chart here, then we can see that the overall the market is very much towards the downside. Right now, gold is trying to recover, but around this level, we have a presence of strong buyers. Not only because of the static resistance here, but we also have the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level here. So if market breaks the present level, there is a high chance of market reversing. If market reverses from this particular level here, we can take a sell position. But my dear friend, keep in mind, today is Monday, okay, and usually during the first half of Monday we do not see much volatility. Okay, so by the US session, if there is a sudden craziness in the market, then you must be careful. But if the market remains like this, then there's a high chance that market will reverse from the level of 1865-66. And you can see that before this level, I have also drawn a trend line at the top. Personally, I am not trusting trend lines much these days, because after the war between Russia and Ukraine, market has become very volatile, very crazy. Personally, I'll also suggest you that you should be trading on the levels that you are confident enough. There are many levels in the market, but you cannot trade on each and every level. After all, it is our capital, it is our responsibility to protect it, isn't it? So please be careful, and I think it's better to take a sell position here if market reverses. Okay, get the confirmation first, then only take a sell position. And in case market starts coming down, okay, in case market starts coming down, then observe the market first. Try to understand the body language of the market. Okay, if you see that there is some correction, okay, see, there is a big difference between heavy selling and correction. Okay, in correction you will see normal candles. In case of heavy selling, you will see big fat red candles. So in case of a normal correction in the market, there is a possibility that market will try to take support around 1846, and if market bounces from 1846 level, you can go for a buy. But if the selling is high enough and if you find market breaking 1846, then the next level will be 1841 to 1840. This will be your next important level. But my dear friend, I just want to tell you that these two levels, okay, 1846 and 1840-41, these two levels will be applicable only in case of a normal correction in the market, not in case of a heavy selling in the market. Okay, in case there's a heavy sell in the market, then you cannot rely on these two levels at all. Okay, so if market comes down, then please be careful. Try to understand the body language of the market first, then only take the decision. And if during the US session, if we see heavy volatility in the market, then the important support will be 1832 to 1833. If market comes down with heavy selling pressure, then we can expect the market to bounce from 1832 to 1833 level. If market comes down to this level, observe the market, wait for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and just see how the market is reacting, whether market is respecting the support or not. If you see the market is respecting the support, if you see market forming hammer pattern or any good price rejection from below, you can definitely go for a buy position around 1832 to 1833. So observation at every key level will be extremely important. So in this chart of gold, see again I'm repeating, in this chart of gold, important resistance where we can expect good selling is around this level. If market reverses, take a sell. If market breaks it, leave it. No need to do anything. Before that, we have a trend line, but the trend line is not that reliable. If market breaks this level, you can try to go for a buy, but be careful again. In case market comes down, observe the market around 1846. If market reverses from 1846, we can go for a buy. If market breaks 1846, then 1840 or 41 will be the next level. But these two levels are not that reliable. The only reliable support as of now for us is 1832 to 1833. So these two are reliable levels. These two are less reliable levels. So we will have to act according to the market conditions. Okay, so whatever it is, follow proper risk management, protect your hard-earned money. It's your responsibility to protect your capital protection should be your first priority. My analysis can be wrong as well, so please be careful. Bye bye, take care.